Hello friends, now we are going to discuss the tensions at various points in the vertical circular motion under gravity. Now, in this lecture, we are going to find the tension at the highest point A, the tension at the lowest point B, and we are going to find the difference between the tensions between the highest and the lowest points. We know that this motion is vertical circular motion. That is, this motion is a circular motion. Hence, some centripetal force is to be supplied for the circular motion. Now here, the centripetal force is given by the tension and the mg cos alpha component of the weight mg. So, how we write the general expression for the centripetal force? We write it as mv square upon r is equal to T minus mg cos alpha, because the directions of T and mg cos alpha are opposite. So, this is the general expression for the centripetal force of the particle in vertical circular motion. Now, I want to find the tensions at the highest and the lowest point. So, see here, this A, TA is the tension at the highest point and TB is the tension at the lowest point B. Accordingly, we write at highest point A. Now we know that since this is 0, this is 90 and this is 180. So, at point A, alpha is equal to 180 degrees. Hence, we write here mVA. VA is the velocity at highest point A. So, mVA square upon R is equal to TA, tension at highest point A, minus mg cos of 180 degrees. But since cos of 180 degrees is minus 1, so when we put it here, we get minus into minus plus. So we again write it as mVA square upon R is equal to TA minus minus plus, so plus mg we get. Now, so again we rearrange for the tension at point A. TA is equal to mVA square upon R minus mg. We take mg here and this is the equation 1. Now, we go for the lowest point. At the lowest point B, alpha is equal to 0. So, mVB square, writing according to the general equation, we get mVB square upon R, this is equal to TB minus mg cos of 0. But cos of 0 is 1. So, we write it as mVB square upon R is equal to TB minus mg. Now, we rearrange the equation to find the tension at point B. So, the tension at point B, TB is equal to mVB square upon R, mg taken here, that will be plus mg. This is the equation 2. So, in equation 1 and equation 2, we have found the tensions at the highest point A and the lowest point B. Now, we are going to find the difference in the tensions at the lowest point B and the highest point A. That is, we are going to find TB minus TA. So, from equation 1 and equation 2, so, or subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get TB minus TA is equal to mVB square upon R plus mg. We are writing this equation minus mVA square upon R minus mg. We are writing this equation. So, TB minus TA, we rearrange it, mVB square upon R. This is minus mVA square upon R. This is plus mg and this minus minus becomes plus mg. So, we get plus 2 mg. Now, TB minus TA, m upon R we take in common. So, we get VB square minus VA square plus twice mg. Now, here, we want to find the value of VB square minus VA square. So, according to the law of conservation of energy, how we write? We know that energy at all the points in the vertical circular motion remains same or is always constant or is conserved. Hence, we know that the total energy at point A is equal to total energy at point B. So total energy at point B equal to total energy at point A. But what is total energy? It is the addition of kinetic and the potential energy. So kinetic energy at point B plus potential energy at point B is equal to kinetic energy at point A plus potential energy at point A. Now, kinetic energy at point B is half mvb square plus potential energy at point B is mgh. Now, what is h? Height at point B, because this point B is the base point. So, height is 0. So, we write here as 0 plus half kinetic energy at the highest point A is half mva square plus mg into h, that is the potential energy at point A. So, what is the height? So, this is r, the radius, and this is r, the radius. So, this total height is twice r. So, from the base point, the height is twice r. So, we write it as 2r. So, half mvb square, this is 0. We cancel it. So, this is equal to half mva square plus twice mgr. Now, we rearrange the term. We take this term here. So, we get half mvb square minus half mva square. This is equal to twice mgr. So, half m taken common, vb square minus va square is equal to twice mgr. Now, this we again mm we cancel and 2 we take here. So, vb square minus va square is equal to 4gr. Now, we have found the value of vb square minus va square, that is 4gr, which we put here. And hence, we get tb minus ta is equal to m upon r. vb square minus va square is 4gr, we have put up here, plus twice mg. Now, which is here. Now, tb minus ta, we have written here, rr we get cancelled. So, we get 4mg and here 2mg. So, we get 4mg plus 2mg, that is tb minus ta is equal to 6mg. So, the difference in the tensions between the highest and the lowest points is 6mg. म्हणजे B ह्या ठिकाणी जे टेन्शन आहे ते आणि A ह्या ठिकाणी हे जे टेन्शन आहे त्याच्यामधला जो फरक आहे, जो डिफरन्स आहे तो किती आहे तर 6mg, where m is the mass of the point mass or the warp and g is the acceleration due to gravity. So, त्याच्या वेगच्या 6 पट हा त्यांच्या टेन्शन्स मधला डिफरन्स आहे. Now, here one point is to be noted that जर तुम्हाला असं म्हटलं की find the difference in the tension at the lowest point B and highest point A at the minimum velocities, तर मग त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला इथे VB च्या जागेवर तुम्हाला त्याची मिनिमम व्हेलॉसिटी √5rg टाकता येईल आणि VA च्या जागेवर त्याची मिनिमम व्हेलॉसिटी √rg टाकता येईल आणि vb स्क्वेअर मायनस va स्क्वेअर इथे तुम्हाला 4mg मिळेल and you can find the same answer. पण ते कधी तुम्ही इथे पुटअप करू शकता जेव्हा तुम्हाला डिफरन्स इन द टेन्शन्स बिटवीन द हायेस्ट अँड द लोएस्ट पॉइंट ऍट मिनिमम व्हेलॉसिटीज जर सांगितलं तर तुम्ही इथे हे पुटअप करायचं आणि हे डायरेक्टली आन्सर काढायचं. पण मग आपण हे एवढं सगळं का केलं, कारण आपण जनरल एक्सप्रेशन फाइंड केलं. जनरल एक्सप्रेशन बिटवीन ही व्हेलॉसिटी फक्त मिनिमम ह्या ठिकाणी ह्या ज्या व्हेलॉसिटीज आहेत त्या फक्त मिनिमम व्हेलॉसिटीज नाहीये. या व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन मध्ये असताना हायेस्ट पॉइंटची जी कोणती व्हेलॉसिटी असेल ती प्रत्येक वेळेला मिनिमम असेलच असं नाही, किंवा लोएस्ट पॉइंटची जी कोणती व्हेलॉसिटी असेल ती प्रत्येक वेळेला मिनिमम असेलच असं नाही. तर असं हे जनरल आपण एक्सप्रेशन इथे फाइंड केलेलं आहे. सो द डिफरन्स इन द टेन्शन्स बिटवीन द लोएस्ट अँड द हायेस्ट पॉइंट इज 6mg. थँक्यू.